Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I'm going to show you a new leather conditioner. It says it cleans, softens, and restores. I think it kind of does everything. I'm going to use it on my Lexus rx350, and I got this to try from this company. This company originally they did Forever Black. They still do Forever Black products, and they also have this leather conditioner. So let's put it on the car. It's not a very sunny day, so these videos will probably not be as terrific as what I would like them to be, but this is the driver's side seat, and this is passenger side. And as you might expect, the driver's side gets more wear and tear and gets a little dirty. So we're going to do both sides, but we're going to start with the driver's side. The instructions say to spray it on liberally, which is what I'm doing, and then to rub it in with a soft cloth. I've got a white cloth here, so you may see some dirt come off. Oh yeah, definitely. And you wouldn't think or realize how dirty your seats get, but they do. Well, so far as the cleaning properties of this product, it definitely does get some dirt out. Let's go over on the passenger side. I'll get a new towel. The sun's coming out a little bit more. You can see that shadow. So let's spray this side. Well, much less coming off on this side, but still something. So it says to spray it on liberally, rub it in, and then go over it with a clean, dry section of the towel to finish off. Well, Froggy's pretty happy with this. It does certainly get a lot of dirt out of the leather. And one other thing I wanted to mention, it does not have a strong smell of anything really. It's originally, I guess, for horse gear, saddles, bridles, boots, and so on. But it's for all leather. So if you know that you have some real leather parts to your car, this would be what to use. If it's fake leather, then I don't know. But for real leather, pretty good choice. Give me a thumbs up if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy, and see you later, guys and gals. Have a great weekend. Froggy out. Bye-bye. One little extra thing here. Now I'm going to show you something that'll really blow your mind. This is Forever Black. This is not the original. It's a little thicker than the original, and by original I mean going back over 10 years probably. But look at how that blackens up your plastic trim. Oh shoot. Oh well, no harm there. Actually, it's kind of funny. It closed the cap when it fell down. I got one little spot there. That'll come out with water. But yeah, check that out. Back to black. Use it. You'll love it.